If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here. Welcome to Larry's Dynamite Mail Call. Been working on a few pens and inks today. Got kind of icky, but I didn't want to change shirts. But what the hell? It's my show. On we go. Are you ready? Mail call. Special thank you to a friend of mine out there somewhere that wants to be anonymous, and I will. So the first thing he sent me was this bonus, a Pilot Prera right here with a fine nib. So here we go. We'll take this little jewel off. Now, if you keep up with my videos, you all know that I do love broad and medium. But I have been exploring the fine and extra fine nibs. I'm not crazy about extra fine now. Now, if they're too scratchy, I just can't feel it. You know what I'm saying? It just doesn't. And here is this beautiful Pilot Prera. A nice, beautiful pen. Yes, sir. Beautiful, beautiful, and beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. So, 1 down, 10 to go. Not really. All right. And the other one is all like that. Huh. Here we go. So, here we go. Here is the pen, and it is a... Can you see that better than me? Is it a...
Wordsworth and black.
Yeah, it's a Wordsworth. Never heard of that brand, but I'm sure going to be exploring that. It comes with the warranty cards and cartridges. And then we got one more before we go. All right, here's another one. Nicely packed, for sure. So, how's all my little blue-eyed groupies going out there in Candyland? Peace and love to all. Heck, ain't nothing but a pen thing, right? All you pen freaks out there, check it out. And hey, if you don't mind, thumbs up me, leave me some decent comments, and spread the word that the man is kind of back. You know what I'm saying? Good. So we're going to get this off. And Mr. Announcer and I are going to have to work on this room sooner or later. Probably later. So, alrighty, here we go. And one more time so I don't cut my hands all off. There's that. And then, here's that. Alright. So here we go, Jake. Take this off. And what in the world? Here it is. And this is going to be the Conklin, of course. One of my favorite brands, Conklin. Always has been, always will. Ta-da! And here we go. There it is right there. Beautiful pen. And it's orange. Deco. Just look at that. I have a blue one, I think, like this. But I have a few more different colors. Not the Conklin band, but when I saw this had to go to my collection. I'm just going to do that. So, there it is. And we'll get into more about how they write and the likes and dislikes. Of course, it comes with a cartridge and warranty. Now that's one beautiful, beautiful pen tube. All of them are beautiful. I've been asked which one do I like the best. I can't ever answer that. And so here's one that I'm going to let Mr. Nicholas do. Here's what it looks like.
Oh, that one is a Faber-Castell.
Okay. And we got a lot more to it to share. Here is the pen. Right here, made in Germany. And this is going to be a cool one to review. Kara and Frank Overman sent me this pen, so it looks delicious. And got the ABCs on here, but it's going to be interesting for sure. And is that it? Oh, before I go, Pen Boutique. All right, what about Pen Boutique? Well, you know they have some pen sleeves. All kinds. And, well, here's one for you right here. And this is the Yak, exclusive for Pen Boutique. Different colors, different sizes. I'm sure y'all want to know, well, what does it fit? Well, I will review this as well later. I'll just put this vanishing point in there. Fits fine. Perfect. And you can put that in your pocket, in your bag or whatever. Now let's try a bigger pen. And the Mont Blanc 149, the big baby, holds that really nicely. So, it will accommodate a variety of pens. Now, it's just not something that Lena from Pen Boutique threw together and told whoever makes them, just make it and send it to me, I'll sell them, whatever. No, she doesn't work that way. It's got to be A1. And I'm not just saying it because it's Lena's at Pen Boutique. I'm saying it because I've used them over and over for long periods of time. I'm telling you, they work, they protect my pens, and that's the only way I flow. So if you want to go with the Go, check it out. Nice, nice pen sleeve. And later I will go over the dimensions and all the good stuff about this. Okay, so stay tuned. Again, leave me your comments below if you don't mind. And while you're at it, give me a thumbs up. You know, it helps me more than you know. It helps my channel grow. So this way, I know that all you pen folks out there are doing your best to help it grow. So that's about it. And I think I'm done. So what do y'all think about today's pen mail? I thought it was pretty awesome, pretty cool. There's a little ink that I've talked about already. I mean, you name it, ink. And of course, the notepad storyboard came from Frank at Fiddler's Pens and Paper. Don't forget Frankie. Now he's waiting by the phone call. Call. And everybody at Pen Boutique, all the young ladies there are waiting, call. So baby, rock and roll, peace and love to each and every one of you. You're dynamite, great looking people out there. We're out of here, baby. Peace and love.